In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address in Docusign using a simple and practical method that most users can follow without confusion. After logging in, go to your profile icon and open the Manage Profiles section where you'll find your current email settings. From there, select the option to update your email address, enter the new one, and follow the verification step to confirm ownership. This verification is important for security, so make sure you have access to the new inbox. While the process is straightforward, changing your email can affect notifications, document access, and login credentials, so double-check everything before finalizing. In some cases, especially for business accounts, admin approval may be required. Overall, Docusign keeps it simple, but accuracy and access are key. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you stay secure and efficient.